numbers coming out, and it's come at 455. That's much better than what we thought. 412 crores was Agam's poll, and
it's
at 455 crores,
growth.
very good numbers, at least on the bottom line. That's all we can say at this point in time. 455 crores, yes, as you say, it's over 30% rise.
34 to be
34% rise in profit itself. We've got the income from operations coming in at 2896 crores. That's the income from operations.
I think that would be the standalone.
Correct,
so
sorry, yeah.
On a consolidated basis, it's 3,623 crore. Now that is in line with what we were anticipating. It's a growth of close to about 8%. Yep. So the top line growth is looking
3623.
3623.
Yeah.
So that's in line with what we were anticipating, just about 10 crore
higher. So if anything, it's better. So maybe an 8% rise in revenues and a 34% rise in profit, as we've been saying. Maybe we should be getting the margins.
Margins are going to look good because the absolute EBITDA is 683. So that in terms of margins would be 18.8%. So that is a beat compared to the 17% that we were anticipating, and compared to last year, it's a growth of close to about 210 basis points. So margins
18.8.
18.8%. So that's the big beat, and that flows through into the profitability as well.
Yeah, and even if you looked at the pure operating profit at 614 crore, that's about 20% higher than 486 crores a year ago. As well, if you looked at the EBIT performance, 687, that's what you were speaking about, 687 crores compared to 539. So, you know, at all levels, the company's performance seems to be good.
Maybe some more statements from the company. No significant improvement in demand conditions witnessed in the decorative coating business in India in the quarter. Lower raw material prices aided the gross margins of the business. Growth in the industrial coatings was joint venture was led by good demand in industrial liquid paints and powder coating segment. Apart from that,
in the home improvement business, that's one. The kitchen and the bath businesses have been impacted by subdued demand conditions. That was the one where they didn't do well. The auto refinish segment registered decent growth. International business